To check if a number is a solution for an equation, we need to substitute that number for all occurrences of that variable in the equation, and then check if we obtain a true statement. So to check if -2 is a solution for the equation 4y plus 5 equals 2 times the quantity y minus 4 plus 1, we need to begin by substituting -2 for every y in the equation. When we substitute a negative number in for a variable, we more often than not want to put parentheses around that value. So in substituting -2 for the y in the 4y plus 5, we obtain 4 times the quantity, -2 plus 5, and we're checking, is that equal to, on the other side of the equation, 2 times the quantity, -2 minus 4, plus 1. We will now simplify each side of the equation using standard order of operations. 4 times -2 is -8. So on the left side, we now have -8 plus 5. Is that equal to? On the right side, we must do what's in parentheses first. -2 minus 4 is -6. So we have 2 times -6 plus 1. Going back to the left side, -8 plus 5 is -3. So the question is -3 equal to 2 times -6 plus 1? Well, 2 times -6 is -12. And finally, simplifying the rest of the right side, -12 plus 1 is -11. Clearly, -3 does not equal -11, so when we substituted -2 into the equation, we did not obtain a true statement, meaning that -2 is not a solution. In part B, is -3 a solution for the equation t squared plus 4 equals -5t minus 2? Again, we need to substitute -3 for every occurrence of t in the equation, and we need to make sure when we do substitute it, we substitute it in parentheses. So substituting -3 for the t squared plus 4, we'll put -3 in parentheses, then square it to add 4. We want to know, is that equal to -5 times t, which is now a -3, minus 2. The key with substituting -3 in for the t and the t squared is that that square applied to all of t, so the square has to apply to everything that we substitute in place of t. So having those parentheses around the -3 is critical. Without the parentheses, it would change the meaning. -3 in parentheses squared means -3 times -3, which is 9. So our left side becomes 9 plus 4. And the question is that equal to -5 times -3 minus 2? We'll carry out the multiplication first. -5 times -3 is 15. So we now have 15 minus 2 on the right side. 9 plus 4 on the left is 13. And 15 minus 2 is also 13. Since we do obtain a true statement when we substitute -3 for the t's in that equation, we do know that -3 is a solution for that equation. Again, when substituting negative numbers in place of variables, you almost always need parentheses around what you've substituted. Leaving the parentheses off will change the meaning more often than not.